The world of artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving, and one of the most exciting developments is the Deepseek AI model. But what exactly is Deepseek AI? How does it work and why should you care? In this video, we'll break down the basics of Deepseek AI, explaining its core concepts in a way that's easy to understand. Let's dive in. Part 1. What is Deepseek AI? Deepseek AI is a cutting-edge large language model designed to understand and generate human-like text. It's built on the principles of deep learning, a subset of artificial intelligence that uses neural networks to analyze and learn from vast amounts of data. Unlike simpler AI systems, Deepseek AI can handle complex tasks, from writing creative content to answering intricate questions. It's a powerful tool that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. But how does it achieve this? Let's find out. Part 2. The core concepts: deep learning and neural networks. At the heart of Deepseek AI are deep learning and neural networks. Imagine a network of interconnected nodes, similar to neurons in the human brain. These nodes process information, learn patterns, and improve their performance over time. This process is called training, and it involves feeding the model massive data sets of text and code. Through this training, Deepseek AI learns the nuances of language, context, and even creativity. It's this ability to learn and adapt that makes Deepseek AI so powerful. Part 3. Transformers, the engine behind Deepseek AI. Deepseek AI uses a specific type of neural network architecture called a transformer. Transformers are designed to handle sequential data, like one text, by paying attention to the relationships between words. This attention mechanism allows the model to understand context and generate coherent, relevant responses. Think of it like a translator who not only knows the words, but also understands the underlying meaning and intent. Transformers are the engine that drives Deepseek AI's ability to generate high-quality text. Part 4. Understanding context and generating text. One of the key strengths of Deepseek AI is its ability to understand context. When you ask a question or provide a prompt, the model analyzes the input, identifies the relevant information, and generates a response that fits the context. This is achieved through the transformer architecture, which allows the model to consider the relationships between words and phrases. The result is text that is not only grammatically correct, but also meaningful and relevant. Part 5. Applications. What can Deepseek AI do? Deepseek AI has a wide range of applications. It can be used for content creation, writing articles, stories, and even code. Question answering, providing detailed and accurate answers to complex questions. Language translation, translating text between different languages. And summarization, condensing large amounts of text into concise summaries. And chatbots, creating intelligent and engaging conversational agents. And code generation, assisting developers by generating code snippets and explaining code. These are just a few examples. As Deepseek AI continues to evolve, its capabilities will expand, opening up new possibilities in various industries. Part 6. Training data and ethical considerations. The performance of Deepseek AI depends heavily on the quality and quantity of its training data. The model is trained on massive data sets of text and code, which allows it to learn the patterns and structures of language. However, this also raises ethical considerations. It's crucial to ensure that the training data is diverse and unbiased, to prevent the model from generating harmful or discriminatory content. Developers are actively working on addressing these challenges and ensuring responsible AI development. Part 7. Deepseek AI versus other AI models. There are many AI models available, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Deepseek AI stands out for its advanced architecture, its ability to handle complex tasks, and its focus on generating high-quality text and code. It is designed to be highly efficient and effective, making it a valuable tool for various applications. It occupies a space of high performance and efficiency. Part 8. The future of Deepseek AI. The future of Deepseek AI is bright. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect Deepseek AI to become even more powerful and versatile. Researchers are constantly working on improving its performance, expanding its capabilities, and addressing its limitations. This includes improving its ability to handle complex reasoning, generating more creative content, and ensuring ethical and responsible use. Part 9. Accessibility and user-friendly interfaces. To make Deepseek AI accessible to a wider audience, developers are focusing on creating user-friendly interfaces and tools. This includes developing APIs, libraries, and applications that allow users to easily integrate Deepseek AI into their workflows. The goal is to make AI technology more accessible and usable for everyone, regardless of their technical expertise. Part 10. Conclusion and call to action. Deepseek AI represents a significant advancement in the field of artificial intelligence. Its ability to understand context, generate high-quality text, and perform complex tasks makes it a valuable tool for various applications. As AI technology continues to evolve, Deepseek AI will play a crucial role in shaping the future of communication, creativity, and problem-solving. Stay tuned for more updates on Deepseek AI and explore its capabilities to see how it can benefit you. Thank you for watching.